Hey guys, today we're playing Anime Fighting Simulator again. I should really put the volume off. Okay, the volume's good. Okay, what should we do in Okay, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna work on the quests. Or maybe I should go there. No, I'm just gonna make myself. Maybe I should look for some chest or just have some fun. Okay, I will have fun. Okay, I'll have some fun instead. You! Come on. Dude, you dead. You done. I'm out of there. Yeah. I'm gonna watch him get destroyed. Time for us to battle, you idiots. You. How dare you try to body that guy? Is very OP. I should not mess with people like that. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess. But okay. Okay, now my brother Sanad is gonna join me. Hi guys. Now I'm gonna shoot an energy. My brother's server. My network guys is a little slow. Just make it. Come on, shoot that! Shoot that! Come on. And guys, I think if this video gets 100,000 likes, we will play Brookhaven. There. Okay, I'm a little bit glitched here. And I do not like letting glitches in this game. I'm gonna make myself look cool. Okay, should I? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it. We have really. I'm just gonna do this. I did it. A best attack. Maybe I'm gonna meditate here. Yeah, that was a little too hard. Why does it not let me stop flying? I hate glitching. Can you stop flying? Can we start? Okay, I will. Joining of server this day. Guys, this should take me a while to join the server. سأبدأ كلايتلينج. Okay, sorry for the talk. Oh my god! I am the most glitched person in this game. Oh my god, now you're literally invincible. Dude, wait for me. I'm going to spawn in just a second. Dude, you gonna pay. He shall now be the ultimate prize. No! Now punch him with a John Cena punch. My punches are way too powerful for that guy. But wait for me. I'm too fast. I'm halfway. Go to Rock and see what you can buy. How dare you bully? This guy needs to bully. He bullied me. Don't bully anybody. It's. You don't be that angry. I'm angry at that guy. He bullied, and he doesn't need to bully. Duh. You can't bully, dude. You can't. Sorry. You can't. I have some business with you. Ow! I hate that guy. I'm just gonna fight a boss. Maybe I'm gonna fight it. Okay. Guys, the boss is very up here. Let me try. Now I'm gonna make myself really OP. Good. And تعمل But wait for me. Look how close I am. Why are you updating? I don't know. But why? Go and test your sword and villages. Okay, but it's really powerful. Literally summon God's lightning. I can summon lightning. I have the power of lightning. It just did 14 billion. Guys, I'm joining the server. Wait, Bacon. Guys, you know my channel. It's another Ozark. Make sure, guys, to go and subscribe to it. Yeah, subscribe to him. And him too. Hey! Nobody gets a self-free pets. Nobody can get. I'm not gonna let you do it. Trillion, really? Oh, why does this happen to me? Hopefully I don't get bullied. Guys, I'm joining the server! Okay, Mr. Bacon. Come back. I will never. No, please! To show my other audience how cool I look. Hey, I look cool. Look. Look, I look way cooler. Oh. Guys, what just happened? I have, and maybe this will work. Please. This. Who are you, you insane guy? Let's you. So what is this? Okay, well, I actually will purchase. That's what's this? What's this? I never write something like that before. Not okay. Maybe you just wasted all your stuff. Oh my gosh, he just wasted. Is that guy? Did I just get scammed? Empty. Oh wait, here we go. Here it. I'm gonna 8 to someone. 8. Yep, you just got scammed. No, I hate this. The bar. Guys, I'm back. Hi, guys. I think it's good. Oh, guys, let's do this. Hi, guys. Where are you? So cool! Now I have more lightning power. I have the power of lightning. Thank you, dude. This guy, what you did, a bully. Give me the last one. Give me. Do it yet. We're going to find stuff to do. I hate flying. Why did I fly? I didn't even want to. But okay, it's better than nothing. This is not good. But where are you? Yeah, baby. Oh. So now come and do yoga with me. So do you have 1.5 million shaka? What? Sanad, you're so bad.
Good, where are you? I need you in the witch area.
So that guy will slice the heck out of you. Quests.
Hey. Where the heck are you?
Daily quests. These are definitely insane. And this is. I'm really confused right now. I am really confused. I'm really confused. And what is that supposed to mean? This is, I don't know what that means. I'm just gonna go have some fun. Some tons of fun. See. Okay, apparently that just makes me light. Nobody will mess with me. Or else we'll get hit by John Cena. Nobody mess with me. Yeah, nobody will mess with me. Nobody. No, people can. They can touch me.
Where the heck are you?
I'm doing parkour. No, my parkour skills are bad. Those actually I think Tornado is supposed to do there. Zero. I want to stop the ball. Huh? I want to stop the ball. Yeah, I just used my teleporting power. Should I teleport again? Okay. Teleport.
Where are you?
Training.
Dude, just come! I want to see you.
Okay, sir.
I'm literally on the witch area.
On the witch. Okay.
Dude, where are you?
Deacon.
Hi guys.
Senna, look how much damage you did. That is definitely not me hitting.
That was you, but I do 6 million damage.
Yes?
I do 6 million damage.
You want to see my power?
Yeah.
Billion.
Dude, just come. Where should we go? I'm just going to do some fight
Two. Senna, to follow me so you want a good place to train.
I want a good place to train for a sword.
With the sword. ما أنا بعرف أصل محل السورds. I don't know any place عليه swords.
Oh, here's the hospital.
Pio, so not follow me, because I'm behind that. Okay, I'm gonna just shut that guy up. That's perfect. Now, what was I up to? Oh, I know what I was up to.